Hello, folks. What does Spirit want you to know? Let's see. Rose, open heart. So whatever you're feeling at this moment, take a deep breath in and let it all go in slow motion. Taking another inhale and releasing it just a little bit faster. So the first thing that's coming through is that you've been feeling a little bit sad or depressed or down about something specific. So I'm feeling like pay close attention to the time. Also, one of the things that you might be focused on, overly focused on, is what you can't change. So it's really important that you're recognizing that these moments of sorrow or depression are things that are coming up as an invitation for you to look at what no longer is serving you. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope this finds you wherever you are, and take care. Bye for now.